Hello and welcome to another day of AJ Snark Attack 2020. This is a art journal challenge brought to you from Art Joy is Sharing. That's my friend Chelsea and I have been doing this for about 6 years now, I think. Doing art journal pages each day for a month out of each year, and today is no exception. I'm going to do a quick sketch. This is a page that I began for day 6, and now I'm just going to do a quick sketch on this already prepared background. I am pressed for time, don't have a lot of time to create today, so I'm going to draw a face. I'm just using I don't know if it's a Stabilo or a General, or yeah, it's one of those water-soluble pencils, and I'm going to make my journal page from this sketch. Now, a lot of people are afraid of sketching, and I understand that. You know, there were a lot of times when I never would have drawn a face, not in my lifetime. But I have seen so many faces in the last several months, and it doesn't scare me anymore. I've watched a lot of videos. I have read a lot of books, and they talk about the placement of your features. And yeah, mine are not the best. I don't care. It's expressive. It's an art journal. It's where, this is not a work of art that I'm going to hang on the wall or anything. This is just an expression of what I'm feeling for today. So I'm going to practice, and that's what an art journal is for me. It's a place to play with products, practice, use different ideas, and get something down on a page. So you'll see me go back and forth here with my pencil and my water brush and some paint, and yeah, just making a suggestion of this girl's face. And no, it's not perfect. I'm not expecting perfect. It's a quick sketch. And that's what these art journal pages are about. It's just something done quickly to put a smile on our face and make us feel a little bit better, and give us our daily practice. Daily practice for me in art is so important because I went for several weeks without being able to do anything, and I could say that my art did suffer because of that. If I do something, even if it's just a little something each day, I think it improves. I think you stay in the moment, you stay with the art, and so many people are not committed to whatever it is that they are trying to practice or do. You know, it's just like anything. If you're practicing a musical instrument, if you're learning to play tennis, whatever it is, you have to practice, practice, practice. And that's what an art journal is for me, is a place to practice and try things. So I'm going to get my quote out here. Like I said, this is short and sweet today. If you're not familiar with how this is done, go check out my playlist. I've got a playlist with the Snark Attack, and I've got a lot of other journaling videos that are available for you. So, check those out if you want more content from me. I have paintings and drawings and 3D and all kinds of different artwork because I've done a lot over the years. But if you're interested in art journaling, I have some playlists that are specific to art journaling, and you can find those in my list of playlists. So I'm just going to heat this. I want to dry that glue before I add anything more. These stickers are not the best, and I do recommend that you use a glue stick or some type of glue to put them down with, because they do not want to stay in place. Now I'm going to add a little bit of shadowing and highlight to the face. I'm not going to cover up everything in the background because I like seeing the texture from the page showing through this face. And I just want to get a little bit of expressive eyes and that sort of thing going. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because, like I said, I got other things to do today, but I could come back to it, or I could just leave it alone and do another page. Same thing with you. So I hope you're enjoying this challenge. I hope you come and join us on Art Joy is Sharing, which is our Facebook group. Be sure and answer all the questions. There's 3 little questions that you have to answer because we want to make sure that it's a safe environment and that we're, not bringing in robots or whatever just to clog up the feed. We want it to be legit people that we're letting into the group. So answer the questions and we will add you to the group because we'd be happy to have you join us. So I'll see you again soon, because we're going to be doing this all month long. And be sure and check out Shell. She did a really cool page yesterday. Excuse me, yesterday. And I think you'll enjoy it. Not sure what she's up to today, but yeah, we also had our Stencil Girl, because we're both on the Stencil Girl design team too. Yesterday that posted, so check that out too if you enjoy stenciling. And glad you found me, and I hope you come back. Bye for now.